Hello, my name is Victor Yopakar. Welcome to Valucop Global. It's always value first.
Hello, everybody. Good evening. How was your day? I know you've been asking for it, how to buy, how to sell using the P2P futures of OKEx. So here it is. Sorry, I'm late. I had a lot of things to do. Okay, this is the home page of the OKEx app. So all you have to do is click buy and sell. There's always an option express where you can fund directly from your bank account, but now it has been suspended for Nigerian folks. Okay, so you have to click on P2P. This is how it looks like. I know it will be confusing, so all you have to do is click on the filter button here, over here. Okay, click on it. Click on it. You now see your Nigerian currency, so you click on it. So it will show this. So when it brings out this page, remember it should be on buy because you're buying, you want to buy USDT. Okay, so it should be on your buy. If you want BTC, nobody is currently selling BTC for Nigerian. Nobody is selling Ethereum now, so you have to buy in BTC. You have to buy in USDT. So this is the least person. Always look out for trade. Always be on the lookout to know the trade limit of each merchant. Okay. Okay, when you are selecting, take note of this. Okay, you click on buy. Buy. What is the quantity of USDT you want to buy? All these things you have to set it between I think 60 seconds, if not you cancel. So how much do you have? 20,000, 5,000? You just input the 20,000. Then click buy. It will process and bring out this place. So I'll be canceling my order now because I don't want to buy it. Okay, so you transfer this. Okay, when you transfer this, you now click payments made. This place. Oh, yeah, payment made. Okay, so the person can do part transaction. Remember, don't use any crypto terms when you are doing your bank transfer. Okay, don't say crypto or blockchain or any crypto or blockchain related terms. If not, your order will be cancelled and reversed because it is part of the rules and regulation of this feature. Okay, so that's it. When you now finish, let's see. When you finish, there are other instructions that will follow after it, whereby you send your wallet address. Do you know how to get your wallet address? Don't worry, I will send it in the next video. Okay, so this is basically how to do it. Where after this, when you have made your payment, you send in your wallet address, your USDT, your OKEx USDT wallet address, so that the person can transfer the funds to your funding account. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay, bye bye.